Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
I hope
ma'am.
you all
Good
are
evening,
well.
ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening,
evening.
ma'am.
I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 So, how are you feeling right now? Like you are a part of an organization called Career Dreams Educations, and today you are starting with your internship. It's an induction day. So, how you all are feeling?
Excited.
Juice.
Yes, very much excited to know about this thing.
Okay, amazing. Anyone else?
Feeling very glad.
Okay, sir.
Excited to learn something new.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so I want one by one. Can you all people introduce me to yourself, to my uh, leaders, to my people here, to my family, one by one? We can start with Akshay, sir.
Akshay, sir.
Is my voice audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you are audible. Yes,
Yeah.
you are audible.
So, okay. So, please introduce me to yourself.
May I?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. You can.
Okay, thank you. My name is Anuradha Kumari from Greater Noida. Currently, I am pursuing MBA from JL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. This is my second semester. I had completed BCA 2019. I am quick learner. I am self-motivated and flexible to adapt conditions. I am always keen learn and think whatever I get a chance.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh,
Wow, ma'am.
okay.
Okay, ma'am. Wow, it's amazing, ma'am. Thank you so much, and we are glad to hear that you are a quick learner. Anyone else?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, you can, ma'am. Go for it.
Yes. So good evening to everyone. This is
Good evening,
Sanoba
ma'am.
Sheikh. And currently I'm in Chandrapur. So apart from that, I'm just pursuing MBA in HR department. So I'm just looking out forward to the better opportunity, and also I'm having experience in BPO process. And
Okay.
apart from this thing, I'm a quick learner and a very positive attitude person. And apart from that, the thing is that my hobbies are singing and dancing, and to learn new software techniques as well as hardware techniques. So this is all about my introduction.
Okay, amazing. We
Yeah,
are glad to hear that. Thank you so
thank you
much,
so
ma'am.
much. Yeah,
So
thank you.
I can see that excitement in you all, guys, and I'm happy that we have such a good team with us. A team that will help us to achieve everything what they want, what we all want to be in life. Right, guys? So let's start with the program. Oh, Purnima, ma'am, you want to say something?
No, ma'am, I was about to tell yes for the statement that which you have passed.
Okay, ma'am. So let's start with the today's induction. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress. Working together is a success. Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It is truly an excellent opportunity for learning under the Career Dreams Education guidance. We are delighted to have you all as our team. I would like to welcome you to our company. With your fresh thoughts, optimistic approaches, gentle behavior, we are sure that this company is in a very good intern's hand. Good evening to one and all present here. Hi, myself Satakshi Bisht, one of the core member of Career Dreams Educations, with my co-partner, Miss Shraddha Ma'am, who is the excellent example of hard work, positivity, and enthusiasm. Guys, a big round of applause to those guests without whom the Career Dreams Educations is incomplete, like sky without stars. Mr. Kartik Gotwal, sir, Chief Executive Head in Career Dreams Education. Mr. Vinayak Saxena, sir, Chief Marketing and Strategic Head in Career Dreams Education. Miss Renu Bora, ma'am, Miss Administrative Head in Career Dreams Education. Rajiv Gupta, sir, Managing Head and Technical Coordinator. And we have Miss Ria Jain ma'am, Managing Head and Technical Coordinator. Outstanding leaders go out of the way to boost the self-esteem of their personnel. If people believe in themselves, it's amazing what they can accomplish. Before hunting into the, induction, I would like to appreciate you all and will be happy if you all, one by one, introduce us to yourself because it will help us to know our Career Dreams Education family better. So, any one of you want to introduce yourself can introduce.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may I?
may I start?
Sure, ma'am, please.
Hi everyone, my name is Soma Krishnan. I stay in Vaishali, Ghaziabad. I am full-time MBA student from New Delhi Institute of Management. Also, I am a company secretary student. From the very beginning, I was really much indulged in all the business and corporate sector. Plus, I have also worked with legal consultancy firm, and I also provide legal consultancy regarding company law. And yeah, I'm really looking forward with all of you to learn and to enhance my knowledge with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are also looking forward with you as a family. And anyone else? Guys, don't feel
Ma'am.
shy.
Can I?
Can I, ma'am?
Yeah, Gaurish sir. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, I am Gaurish from Delhi Prithviar. I am pursuing my BBA from IMS Ghaziabad, and I am very fond of marketing strategies and digital work, which I am interested also. And my hobbies are cricket and playing music, etc. And I want to take as an experience in nature. That's why I'm pursuing this internship, and happy to work with my all with all members of this meeting.
Thank you so much, sir. We are also very pleased to see you with us. Okay, anyone else?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I?
Who is there? I can't see the name. Acha, Shivani. Yes, ma'am. Shivani, ma'am. Yes, you can.
Okay, good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to speak in front of you. I'm Shivani Joshi. Basically, I belong to Indore. I have recently finished BCA from DABV, and right now I'm pursuing MBA from Acropolis Faculties of Management and Research. My hobbies are dancing, painting, and reading books. I like to learn about new things and technologies. If I'm talking about my strength, I'm open minded. Thank you.
Well, books are your best friends, right, Shivani? Amazing.
Yes.
Good. Next, who else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Akshay.
Santosh Mishra.
Yes. Yeah, Santosh, sir. Yeah.
Ma'am, my name is Santosh Mishra. I am belong from West Bengal, Midnapur. I did my graduation Vidyasagar University from West Bengal, and so recently I am pursuing my MBA from GT Goenka University. And my hobbies are swimming and playing cricket, and I am passionate about cooking. That's all, ma'am.
Well, from cooking, I heard something that you can cook better. You will cook good for us, right, sir?
Yes,
Something
ma'am. Yes,
delicious.
yes,
Thank you so much,
yes.
sir. Akshay, sir, now it's your turn. Go for it. Akshaya, sir, are you there? I think he has some glitch. Anyone else who want to boost our confidence and their confidence?
May I?
Yes, Himanshi, ma'am, you can. Go for it.
Hello everyone, my name is Manshi Verma. I hail from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Electrical Engineering from Prestige Institute of Engineering Management and Research, affiliated by Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya. And my strengths are I'm a multi-dimensional person with positive thinking, and my hobbies is to writing journals and dancing and traveling. And I'm looking forward for great career opportunity and looking for a great internship like this. And I will be glad to be a part of Career Dreams. Thank you.
Well, if you all are looking for a good opportunity, you have came to the best platform, guys, I must say. Thank you so much, Himanshi, ma'am. Anyone
Thank
else who
you.
want to boost my confidence, our confidence, and your confidence?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
may I
myself.
start?
Vandana, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Vandana. I'm pursuing MBA from IAR Institute and as well as I'm working as an associate in Dr. Reddy's. I have joined this internship to learn about more HR work and marketing work so I can boost myself and even I can learn work according to it. Uh, and thank you so much for the wonderful opportunity which you have given a platform where we can learn different work. I have learned the task which ma'ams gave me. I have learned almost little bit, and I'm looking forward it to more. Thank you so much for giving me this chance.
Vandana ma'am, you will be able to. Don't worry, ma'am. Don't lose that hope. You will able to do everything. Anyone else? Guys, come on. You got your platform here. Come on. Say
Hello,
something.
may I?
Sheetal ma'am, yes ma'am, of course. Go for it, ma'am.
Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Sheetal Surenshi. I belong to Sangli, which is in Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in BCom from Bharati Vidyapit University. Now I am pursuing my MBA degree in Sinhagad Institute of Management, Pune. Apart from this, I also took part in extracurricular activity in college like street play, stage play, and classical dance. That's all my introduction, and thank you for this opportunity once again. Thank you.
Okay, amazing guys. Now add wings to your dreams, hold and rest your energy as we are starting up with today's induction. Now I'm hand overing my mic to Miss Shraddha ma'am, who will give you today's a very good induction meet so that you can rely upon in everything what you want. Shraddha ma'am, are you there? Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shraddha ma'am, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so sorry. मेरा mic off था.
No worries, ma'am.
Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Shraddha Mishra, and I am here. Hope you all are doing well. Okay. So I am here to introduce you with the whole and soul working of the Career Dreams education that you are going to perform in this organization. So, hello everyone. So, this is the Career Dreams Educations. Okay. So, it is registered under MSME Act, Government of India, recognized by State Government of Rajasthan, ISO Certified Enterprise, ISO 9001-2015, Skill India Initiative, comprehensive internship cum training program. This is the main motive of this organization to skill each and every person in India through our internship cum training program. So here is the, can anybody of you please read out this paragraph?
Ma'am, may I read?
Yeah, sure.
From where I have to read Career Dream Educations?
Yeah.
Okay. Career Dreams Educations hereby invites young minds, freshers, graduates, MBA aspirants, MBA pass outs, technical students, techlancer, professional for 45 days, comprehensive internship cum training program, where the candidates will be provided with live projects, online administrative managerial work, assignments, and tasks with practical operational performance and business orientation. The candidates will be given opportunities to work with a core professional qualified team and share the same work pace in a competitive business environment. Program
Thank
guidelines.
you so much, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much. That was a great help. Okay. So now you all might have understood, but let me make it a bit clear for you all. Okay. So in Career Dreams Education, here we work with the young, innovative, and creative minds as well as enthusiastic minds. That doesn't matter. Are they freshers? Are they graduates, MBA aspirants, MBA pass outs, or technical students? We work with every sort of students to give them a training, to give them an opportunity to learn by doing. Okay, so it is a 45 days unpaid comprehensive internship cum training program where the candidates will be given an opportunity to work with our core professional qualified team and will also get the opportunity to share the same workplace in the competitive business environment. They'll be given practical operational performances. They'll be given assignments, tasks, live working, etc., so that they can boost up their information and their knowledge for the future. So here we work with the concept of learn, perform, training, execution, and achievement. Progressing on the lines of Skill India initiative started by Government of India, the candidates will be upgraded with placement assistance. So here at Career Dreams Educations, we have 7 key strategic management areas. Can anybody of you please read it?
Yes,
May I,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Can I, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Yes, sure.
Actually, first is strategic management is human resource management, and second is marketing management, third is financial management, fourth is strategic management, fifth is educational analytical management, sixth is content building and comprehension, and seventh is technical research and development.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so now if we are moving forward with, then we have the comprehensive internship cum training program. It is a value oriented approach to help the aspirant develop business
Excuse me,
skills.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes?
sorry to interrupt you. Please, can you scroll the screen?
Okay, I have scrolled. Isn't it visible?
No, ma'am. It's stuck
No,
in
ma'am.
comprehensive.
Okay. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please scroll out.
Yes, ma'am. I have scrolled, but I don't know why is it happening.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is visible, but we have to zoom out, I think. Students.
Wait.
Now it's visible, ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now it's visible.
Okay, sorry for the inconvenience.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a comprehensive internship cum training program. It is a value-oriented approach to help the aspirants develop their business skills and professional values so that they can inoculate an ethical sense. Okay, so can anybody of you tell me what is ethics?
Ma'am,
Set of
differentiate between
rules and
what is
regulations.
right and what is wrong.
Okay, that's a great approach.
Ma'am,
Anybody else?
any kind of law, ma'am. Law, ma'am. Just business law, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Internal
ethics
feeling
means
of a person.
rules and regulations
Ma'am,
or culture of the organization.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
starting
ethics means wrong and right, ma'am.
What is wrong and what
Wrong,
is right.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
you all are
ethics
right.
means wrong and right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Wrong and right.
Yes, you all are right. That's an ethics. Ethics means the moral principles that tells us what is wrong and what is right. You all are right. Okay, thank you so much. An ethical sense of responsibility and a passion to strive for target achievement. Okay, so here we are having the major job areas that we work in Career Dreams Education. That is telemarketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, personalized marketing, data compilation, database management, content writing, content designing, content analysis, client customizations, business networking, online edu product development, educational R&D services, market potential analysis, project feasibility analysis. Okay, so now if we're moving forward for our first domain, that is HR management, human resource management domain. So here we have the HR management's working, and that's HR recruitment, database management, CV proliferation, profile assessment, interview scheduling, clients customization, B2B networking, training and development moduling, and tech access. And in business R&D management, we have edu-oriented, tech-friendly research and development, a comprehensive area that including a multi-dimensional approach, emphasizing efforts to create, develop, and innovate new business approach, enhance client customized business approach. This organization will give you a great opportunity to learn by doing. Internship is what is all about, right? You learn a lot in your theories, but internship is all about the practical world. And here at Career Dreams Education, we focus on practical world and practical approaches more. So now let's moving forward for the second domain, and that's the financial domain, money barters, creating wealthy happiness. So if we're talking about the two pillars of money barters, they are Mr. Kaushik sir and Mrs. Shikha ma'am. It's their work that Money Barters is doing so well in this organization. So can any of the finance intern can read this out?
Sure,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
I
may I?
can.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, of course. Anybody of you can
Ma'am,
read? Yeah, sure.
Money Barters is the specialized financial management and financial analysis wing catering to financial development aspirations of our concerned stakeholders. We at Money Barters offer comprehensive, competent client customized services and academic financial consultancy in the arena of funds allocation, portfolio management, asset management, capital structure, taxation, and business regulatory framework.
Okay, thank you so much. So, Money Barters is basically a specialized financial management and analysis wing that works for the financial development. We here work with the work as per the customized requirement of our clients. So, can anybody of you tell what is stakeholders?
Stakeholders are the shareholders of the company.
Stakeholders are shareholders,
Investors of the company
investors,
are stakeholders.
everyone of the company.
Actually, stakeholder is a party that has interest in a company and can be neither affect or affected by the business.
Yes.
Exactly, ma'am.
Actually, the primary stakeholders are the investor, employee, customer, suppliers, creditors, vendors. These are all the stakeholders of the company. There are two type of stakeholders. You can say that internal stakeholder and external stakeholders. They are basically the main purpose of stakeholder to join with the company or to create an interest in the company. They are directly and indirectly have interest in the company's profit.
Wow, that was a great explanation. That was a nice answer. Okay, so here at Money Barters, we work for the in the arena of funds allocation, portfolio management, asset management, capital structuring, taxation, and business regulatory framework. So here its working include capital structuring and fund management, systematic investment plan, health plan, term plan, e-gold investment, mutual funds, fund allocation assessment, stock market mechanism, stock markets in India, etc. So here at second working that is included in Money Barters is analysis of global financial market. That includes analysis of Sensex, Nifty, Kospi, Nikkei, FTSE, Hang Seng, stock market analysis, Trans-Asian stock market analysis, and global stock market analysis. Here we also include February 2021 budget segmentation analysis and taxation scope, including income tax deduction analysis, 80C to 80U, income tax slab analysis with illustrations, return of income, procedure of assessment for individuals, for partnership firms, for companies, PAN card generations, etc. Here we also include the recently introduced tax, that is GST, goods and services tax, and its implications. Can anybody of you read the GST implications we have?
Ma'am, actually, it includes GST registration, GST scope, GST and HSN coding, GST rates analysis, GST monthly return filing, GST quarterly return filing, GST annual return filing, composition scheme, reverse mechanism.
Okay, thank you so much. So third domain that we have is our technical domain, and that's technophilia, innovations for life. Here we have its two head and two strong pillars. They are Mr. Rajiv sir and Miss Ria ma'am. So now let's moving forward for the technophilia domain. So here we have technical HR management, technical marketing management, technical content and graphics designing, research and analysis wing. So if we're talking about the core operational areas of technophilia, we have web designing and development, Android and app development, graphics designing, SEO and digital marketing, e-commerce handling, social media handling, cybersecurity mechanism, artificial intelligence mechanism, etc. So in technical HR management, we have our own recruitment or intimation call management, on interview call management, confirmation call management, mailing management, meet management, HR database management, and certificate and documentation. So here in technical marketing and marketing analysis, we include technical product marketing, technical courses marketing, institutional marketing, social media marketing, technical event marketing. And here at technical content compilation and customization, we have textual content writing and compilation, images and graphic designing, videos, and MP4 designing and formatting. Core technophilia. Technophilia's core is research and analysis wing that includes tech solutions to business challenges, technical client customization, technical product orientation and development, technical feasibility analysis, reviewing with tech assessment, innovation, and incubation assistance. So next up, we need to know what is the benefits of these programs that we are going to take a part in, and that's practical business exposure. Here at Career Dreams Education, we provide practical business exposure with live working with the real world environment. Get recognition with certificate of internship. As we all know that certificate of internship that we will get, that will be ISO certified. That's a very big thing for us that we can very surely add in our CV that is going to help us out everywhere. Performance appraisal with certificate of work excellence. As per our work, we'll also get in performance appraisal with a certificate of work excellence. We can also avail cash rewards and performance-based incentives. As we all know, initially it is unpaid, but as per your performance, it can also be a paid internship for you all. So you can also avail some cash rewards, and if your performance is up to the mark, you can also get the cash rewards and the performance-based incentives. Avail job-oriented HR training with personality development sessions and skill enhancement sessions. You can also avail multiple interview opportunities to maximize your chance of final placements in diverse industries. So next up, we need to know what are the different certifications that we are going to get. So two certificates that we are going to get compulsorily, and that's certificate of internship and certificate of work excellence. Next one is certificate of acknowledgement. If you become the project head of any program or project, you will get the certificate of acknowledgement. Whenever you are the event coordinator of any team event, you will get certificate of appreciation. Whenever you are assessed as a team leader, you will get a certificate of leadership. Whenever there is an event, whenever you participate in an event, you get the certificate of participation. Whenever you lay and strategize any segment in the key role of the organization, you will get certificate of keymanship. Whenever you will achieve the standard performance set by the organization, you will get the certificate of excellence. For for your behavior and professional integrity, you will get the ethical professional conduct certificate and certificate of innovation for developing and executing innovative models in our organization. Certificate for knowledge excellency, hosting a knowledge-oriented webinar with R&D insights into the concerned knowledge domain as a main speaker. So, hope you all enjoy this journey with us. We all are so excited to have you on board with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this induction. I hope you all are now very much clear about your journey with us. And if you now have any queries regarding anything, you can ask. You are free to ask. We have Renu ma'am with us, Shikha ma'am with us, and Kaushik sir, who will clear all your doubts if you have.
When will be getting our first assignment?
Good evening all. With pertaining to your assignments, as soon as the induction meet is over, by this time you would be deployed in your respective teams, and by tomorrow, or as per the convenience of your team leader, your first assignment will be assigned to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, good evening. Sir, what will be the timing for the internship?
It's 45 days internship with respect to the daily timings. Sundays will be an
Mhm.
official. And
Okay.
6 to 9 p.m. is the time where you need to have official chats in your groups. Anyone
Mhm.
should supposed to contact anyone personally, and you
Okay.
can approach the higher authorities only on the clear approval of your team leaders. And
Okay.
with respect to the work, it's a work from home with total time flexibility. And
Yes.
as per your convenience, you can work and submit your related assignments.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir. Because actually, I'm just, like currently, I'm just doing job, so that's why this is the main question that I just want to ask.
Yes, ma'am, it's absolutely time flexible, ma'am. It's as per your
Okay.
requirement. And if you're not
Sure, sure.
able to submit
Mm-hmm.
that document on time, please do
Yeah.
notify your TLs and please do acknowledge the messages that your TL put in the group.
Yeah, sure, sir. Definitely. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yes. Yes,
So,
please
as you
speak.
told, it's the 45 days internship, right? So,
Yeah.
like, today is our first day. We have started with the work, or we'll be
Yeah.
starting it from tomorrow.
Your work will be assigned to you from tomorrow, and even today, from today, your days of internship will be counted.
Okay, okay, fine, sir. And sir, we'll be provided with some offer letter or something like that.
I think by this time you would have got your offer letter is not provided in internships, but you will be given a letter of joining for the internship. You would have
Okay,
supposed.
sir. When that will be provided?
I think it will be sent to your mail ID by this time. If not, so please do
Okay,
not.
okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Any other queries?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So, where can we, like, whom to ask our queries regarding the assignments?
Your
Any
TLs,
queries?
your
Okay.
respective TLs. And if you do have any sort of issues which is not you're not feeling convenient to sort it out with your TLs, you can approach the higher management. We have
Okay.
Karthik sir, Vinayak sir, Rajesh sir. You can contact
Okay.
Rajesh sir if you have any queries.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Any questions?
Guys, if you have any questions, then do ask freely.
Hi sir, how to submit the assignment?
You need to submit your assignments in the group. You'll be in a group where we will be monitoring your activities.
Okay sir, thank you.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
We don't have any training like in the beginning, sir.
Your internship is inclusive of training part, ma'am. You'll be trained on we'll be briefing you about the organization structure and the work that you need to do. And in terms of the knowledge you need to gain in the respective field, they will be eligible enough to train you with the assignment part.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Anyone else who have some problem or any questions?
Ma'am, from when our internship start?
From tomorrow will be
Training program.
and your date of internship completed from counted from today itself.
Okay, today. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, please do. I suppose someone has a query.
Anyone else? Do ask, guys. If you have any queries, do ask.
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, sir. Sir, what kind of assignments we have to do?
The assignments that will be assigned to you will be with respect to your domain. If you are a marketing person, you'll be given some marketing task under the guidance of your respective TL as to how you can get leads and how can you reach out to the consumers. And if it is related to HR training related activities like how to maintain the database and how you need to maintain e-management activities will be given to you. And if you are from a technical background, you'll be given training by technical experts as to how you need to design web page, blog, and all other technical related aspects. And if it is for finance and taxation, you'll be given training pertaining to the fund allocation, how to assess the stock market, how to take investment decisions, and what are the scope of areas that are lying with you for with respect to the taxational practice. And if you're a content writer, you'll be given opportunities of creating some business related content for the various projects that we take up.
Ma'am, I hope your doubt is clear now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Anyone else?
Excuse me, ma'am. I had a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, as I have my exams, like NSEM exams going on right now, so like, would I get a like extended deadline if possible? So like,
Sure.
if I'm not able to,
As
able to complete my assignments.
Yes, as mentioned earlier, the internship is of totally of time flexibility. You can avail the leave and you can join for the next batch if you want, or you can take some leave in between if your exams are till far ahead. It's time flexible as per your convenience. Please inform your TL. They will make sure that you get the necessary time flexibility you want to cope up with your exams.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if we have some doubt or something like that, so can we personally text our TL?
Yes, sir. If it is too urgent, you can. Or else
Okay,
please
okay.
chats. The group chats are meant to clearing your doubts itself. Only if it is in case of an emergency, you can contact them personally. You need to first put up a text.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
And do not contact your co-interns.
Okay, okay, sir.
गाइस ये नंबर है राजीव सर का. आपको अगर कोई भी इश्यूज हो या डाउट्स हो तो आप इनको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
He is our managing head and technical coordinator, Rajiv sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Do save his number, guys, so that if you have any issues regarding your exams or other stuffs, he will make it clear your doubts. Okay, don't
Yes,
worry.
sure. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Please do approach the TL first, then Rajiv sir comes, okay?
Any other?
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट्स है रिगार्डिंग इंटर्नशिप?
No, sir. Everything is pretty much clear.
No, sir. Everything is clear.
एंड किसी को कुछ भी डाउट्स होगा तो आप लोग रेस्पेक्टिव अपने ग्रुप में ऐड हो चुके हो एंड टीएल्स ने आपको ऐड किया है, तो मे बी मेक श्योर पहले अपने टीएल्स से डाउट पूछ लो, और कुछ इमरजेंसी होती है तो आप लोग ग्रुप में ही अपना मैसेज ड्रॉप कर सकते हो रिगार्डिंग कुछ एज बेसिस पे वर्क है या कुछ आपको टास्क असाइन किए गए हैं बट आप लोग डेडलाइन पे वर्क नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो मेक श्योर क्लियर करेगा कि आपके टीएल्स को इन्फॉर्मेशन हो. ओके?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Sure, sir.
आपकी वर्किंग को, आपके मैसेजिंग को, वे ऑफ टॉकिंग को, आप टीम लीडर्स कैसे बात करते हैं तो सीनियर्स ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, तो मेक श्योर आप लोग की बिहेवियर सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
किसी को कुछ भी डाउट, यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट टाइम में फाइनेंस के इंटर्न्स हैं, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, HR intern are also here in the meeting.
फाइनेंस, मार्केटिंग, marketing and HR interns, right?
No, sir.
Social media marketing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And तो आप लोग को अपने रेस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप्स में ऐड कर दिया गया है. रेस्पेक्टिव टीएल्स जिस नंबर से आप लोगों ने ऐड किया है वो आपके टीम लीडर्स हैं, तो मेक श्योर उनसे कोई भी इशू हो तो आप लोग क्लियर कर सकते हैं. एंड फाइनेंस वाले इंटर्न्स कौशिक सर, शिखा मैम से कोई भी इशू और रेस्पेक्टिव टीएल से बात कर सकते हैं. एंड एचआरस के लिए यहाँ पे सलोनी मैम, रिद्धि मैम एंड रानू मैम अवेलेबल है, तो आप लोग रेस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप्स में आपके सीनियर्स अवेलेबल हैं, तो कोई भी क्विज का क्वेश्चन होगा, आप लोग ग्रुप में मैसेज ड्रॉप करिए, आपको अपने रिस्पॉन्सेज वहीं पे मिल जाएंगे। ठीक है, शताक्षी
Excuse me,
मैम।
sir. Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ये सर प्लीज।
या सर, ये अभी एक ही ग्रुप बना है बस, वो एक ही है, HR एंड फाइनेंस के लिए एक ही बना हुआ है, अभी सेपरेट नहीं बना है अभी।
नहीं सर, अभी जो इंडक्शन मीटिंग का इंटर्न्स आप अभी अगर ऐड होंगे तो आप इंडक्शन ग्रुप में ऐड होंगे, फिर उसके बाद अगर आप ऐड नहीं हुए हैं, आप किस डोमेन के लिए, फाइनेंस राइट?
यस सर, फाइनेंस फाइनेंस।
कौशिक सर, एक बार चेकआउट कर लीजिएगा सर आप, सर का नेम, ठीक है?
ओके ओके, प्लीज
ओके
टू
Enter what about social media marketing?
ओके, जो लोग अभी ऐड नहीं हुए हैं वो इंडक्शन मीटिंग के ग्रुप में एक्नॉलेज कर सकते हैं आप लोग को, जहां से मीटिंग लिंक मिली है। ठीक है, तो अगर आप लोग ऐड नहीं होंगे तो आप लोग रेस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप में ऐड हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, और कल मॉर्निंग से आपकी इंटर्नशिप।
जस्ट अ मिनट सर, सर विमल सर एडेड है रिया मैम के ग्रुप में, प्लीज
या
चेक
मैम,
yes you are already added with
MB
finance
MB
team.
team, the group name is MB
Yes,
team.
MB is money batters team, finance
Okay
domain
ma'am,
team.
okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Ma'am, can we get the knowledge of team leads in our group?
मैम आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप, कल जो आपका फर्स्ट डे स्टार्ट होगा तो टीम लीडर्स आपके साथ मीट लेंगे एंड डिस्कस करेंगे, प्रोजेक्ट्स भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे एंड वर्किंग जो टास्क्स हैं वो आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप क्लियर किया जाएगा, बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप क्लियर किया जाएगा, ना कि एक दिन में। मैम अभी क्लियर है? ओके, और किसी को कुछ डाउट्स?
Yes sir.
यस सर, प्लीज बोलिए।
सोशल मीडिया मार्केटर, बट मैं इसी ग्रुप में अभी भी ऐड हुआ हूँ।
ठीक है, तो सर इशू क्या है इसमें? आप उसी ग्रुप में हैं क्योंकि वो आपका ही ग्रुप है सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग का, राइट? तो उसमें आपकी जो वर्किंग है एंड जो भी कुछ सिनेरियो है आपको उसी ग्रुप में अपडेट किया जाएगा सर।
बट सर उसमें तो सारे फाइनेंस भी, HR भी एंड ऑल दैट।
मेरी वॉइस क्लियर? हेलो सर, मेरी वॉइस क्लियर है? हेलो
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, जो भी इंटर्न्स प्रेजेंट टाइम में प्रेजेंट है, जो जिस डिपार्टमेंट के लिए अप्लाई किया है वो उसी डिपार्टमेंट में ही उनको एडिट किया गया है सर। आपका इंटरेस्टेड डिपार्टमेंट सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग था तो आप उसी डोमेन गए। अगर आप HR प्लस सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप उस ग्रुप में एक्नॉलेज कर सकते हैं। फिर आपके जो सीनियर्स हैं फिर डिस्कस करके मैं आपको रिस्पेक्टेड HR वाले ग्रुप में ऐड कर दूंगा। ओके ओके, ओके, जो कुछ डाउट्स?
Excuse me, sir.
यस मैम।
Sir, I have one more doubt. Like, two of my colleagues are interested in finance domain only. So, still, is there any vacancy?
कौशिक सर, मैम आप अभी किस डोमेन में हैं राइट नाउ?
Sir, finance.
आप शिखा मैम से कांटेक्ट करिएगा, शिखा मैम जो भी डिटेल्स आपको प्रोवाइड कर देंगी। शिखा मैम।
Okay, sir.
Yes sir.
Thank you, sir.
मैम प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ इट।
या श्योर सर, मैं आपको डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी शताक्षी।
Okay, ma'am.
एंड किसी और को डाउट्स?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
प्लीज।
Sir, is there apart from our daily assignment and task, is there any another final project we have to submit after 45 days?
नहीं सर, आपकी 45 डेज में वीकली बेसिस पे भी टास्क मिलते हैं, कुछ डेडलाइन पे भी टास्क मिलते हैं, कुछ आवर बेसिस पे भी टास्क मिलते हैं। तो वो जिस हिसाब से जैसे जो टास्क रहेंगे वो टीएल्स से आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। बट अगर आप डेडलाइन के पहले कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते हैं या कुछ वर्किंग है जो आप कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते हैं तो अपने टीएल को एक्नॉलेज कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई इश्यूज है तो आप अपडेट कर सकते हैं, तो आपको जो टाइम चाहिए वो मिलेगा। बट नंबर्स ऐसे होते हैं कि अगर आप 2 दिन मांगोगे तो 2 दिन दे दिया गया, उसके बाद भी आप फिर 2 दिन मांगते हो तो वो चीजें बिहेवियर नहीं वो देखा जाएगा। ठीक है?
Yes sir. No sir, I was just asking about the final project. Is there any final report we have to submit? Other than that, we are ready to do the.
सर फाइनल रिपोर्ट का जैसा भी वर्किंग रहता है, आपके सीनियर्स बनाते हैं आपकी रिपोर्ट्स एंड वो हम लोग के पास आती हैं, उसके बिहाफ पे आपका प्रमोशन है, सब कुछ देखा जाता है। और ये इंटर्नशिप 45 डेज की है, बट इफ यू अगर आपकी वर्किंग बेस्ट है तो आपकी इंटर्नशिप एक्सटेंड भी हो सकती है अगर आप एक्सटेंड कराना चाहते हैं अपनी इंटर्नशिप, तो अपने सीनियर्स से कांटेक्ट, मतलब अपने टीम लीडर्स एंड रिस्पेक्टिव हेड से कांटेक्ट करेंगे तो आपकी इंटर्नशिप एक्सपेंड हो सकती है। लेकिन आपकी इंटर्नशिप एक्सटेंड करने का भी कुछ पॉइंट्स होते हैं। अगर आपके वो क्वालिटीज आपके अंदर होगी तो ही आपकी इंटर्नशिप एक्सटेंड होती है। ठीक है,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
किसी को कुछ
Good
और
evening,
डाउट?
sir. I have a doubt, sir. Can
यस
I,
मैम
sir?
प्लीज।
When we need to start our job, I mean work, sir, in morning,
मैम टुमारो से आपका
starting.
वर्किंग, कल से आपकी वर्किंग स्टार्ट होगी, एंड जो भी टाइम है, डेडलाइन है, वो सब चीजें आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया जाएगा। और टैक्सेस का टाइमिंग अलग अलग होता है। अगर उस टाइम के अंदर आप लोग कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते हैं तो कोई इशू नहीं है, आपको और टाइम दे दिया जाएगा। ठीक है, ऋषिका मैम
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
प्लीज।
wanted to ask, will there be meetings in the morning also or in the evening? Actually, I'm a commerce student, so I have my classes in the morning, so just
ओके,
wanted to clear this out.
कोई भी टीएल से आप लोग से मीटिंग लेगा तो पहले आपसे एक्नॉलेज करके पूछेगा। अगर इमरजेंसी बेस पे मीटिंग लिया जा रहा है तो आपको एटलीस्ट 30 मिनट्स पहले इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाएगा या 20 मिनट्स पहले। बट अगर डेली बेस पे अपडेशन से और इंट्रैक्शन मीटिंग होगा तो वो इवनिंग स्लॉट में होगा, डे टाइम में नहीं होगा। तो
Okay,
कोई भी
sir.
टीएल्स या कोई भी मीटिंग होती है, आपसे पहले पूछा जाता है कंफर्टेबली अपना टाइम बताइए, तो उस समय अपना टाइम आप लोग मेंशन करिएगा। ठीक है, क्योंकि उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही टाइम शेड्यूल फिर मीटिंग के होते हैं।
Okay,
क्लियर
sir.
है?
Thank you so much. Yes,
Actually, sir, my question is if any want to change his domain, for whom we contact to?
सर मी
Okay, sir.
सर राइट नो इन एचआर डोमेन राइट?
No, ma'am. No, sir. Actually, I am added in CW and video making team.
Okay, so you are content making and video making teams. You have applied for content making teams. Content
Yeah.
making, sir, right?
Yeah, content writer, sir.
Yes, sir, content writer. If you are interested in HR, तो उस ग्रुप में आप मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, तो आप HR के साथ प्लस कंटेंट राइटिंग का भी वर्किंग आप साथ में कर सकते हैं।
सर जिस ग्रुप में मैं हूँ उसमें मैं HR के लिए भी अगर मैसेज कर दूं तो मैं दोनों कर सकता हूँ, कंटेंट राइटिंग और HR दोनों इंटर्नशिप परस्यू कर सकता हूँ सर।
यस सर। अगर इन द केस अगर आप लोग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग या मार्केटिंग में है, कंटेंट राइटिंग में है, पोस्टर मेकिंग में है, और या फिर आप HR प्लस फाइनेंस में है, ठीक है, तो आपकी जो भी इंटरेस्टेड डिपार्टमेंट्स या आपको वर्किंग आपको लर्न करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल फाइनेंस वाले इंटर्न्स फाइनेंस के इंटर्नशिप के साथ HR की ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज की इंटर्नशिप भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। वहां पे वो शिखा मैम एंड कौशिक सर से बात करेंगे, फाइनेंस का अलग ही HR सेल है। ओके, और इन द HR सेल में कंटेंट राइटिंग, पोस्टर मेकिंग, वीडियो मेकिंग, ये सब चीजें भी उसी में एडेड है। तो अगर कोई इंटर्न कंटेंट मेकिंग भी करना कंटेंट मेकिंग भी उसे आती है और वीडियो मेकिंग भी, तो वो HR के साथ उस पार्ट को भी कंटिन्यू कर सकता है। बट अपने रेस्पेक्टिव टीएल्स को अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन दीजिएगा कि आप लोग का ये भी इंटरेस्ट डोमेन है या आप लोग इसमें भी वर्किंग करना चाहते हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको वर्क मिलेगा। तो अक्षय सर, तो आप उस ग्रुप में एक मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन कंटेंट राइटिंग प्लस HR, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको HR वाले ग्रुप में भी ऐड कर दिया जाएगा और फिर आपको HR प्लस कंटेंट राइटिंग के टास्क मिलेंगे।
ओके सर।
एंड मेरा मैं जितने भी ग्रुप्स हैं उस सब ग्रुप्स में एडेड हूँ, तो आप लोग के सारे मैसेजेस जिसको कोई भी इशू होगा मैं पढ़ लूंगा। तो आप लोग पर्सनली मैसेज पहले अवॉइड करिएगा जब तक कोई इशू नहीं होता है, ठीक है। और जो रूल्स रेगुलेशंस है रिस्पेक्टेड टीएल्स आप लोग के ग्रुप में मैसेज कर देंगे, तो उसे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस पढ़ लीजिएगा। और एक चीज सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, कोई सीनियर मैसेज ड्रॉप कर रहा है, आपका 110% उसे एक्नॉलेज करना बनता है। ये बात ऑल इंटर्न्स को क्लियर होनी चाहिए। अगर कोई सीनियर या टीम लीडर्स मैसेज कर रहा है उससे आप इग्नोर नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि ये बिहेवियर टॉलरेट नहीं होता है। क्लियर है सबको?
ओके सर।
Yes, sir. Sir, good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग मैम, प्लीज।
सर मुझे एक्चुअली एक डाउट है कि अब जैसे कि हम लोगों का अगर 45 डेज होता है, तो सपोज अगर मुझे आगे कंटिन्यू करना है इंटर्नशिप के साथ में, बट HR के लिए नहीं, लाइक वेब डिजाइनिंग एंड ऑल, तो मैं आगे कंटिन्यू कर सकती हूँ फिर?
110% मैम, आपके इंटरेस्टेड डोमेन के हिसाब से आपको वर्क देंगे, क्योंकि ये इंटर्नशिप इसलिए है और आप लोग के लिए है कि आप अपने डोमेन में परफेक्ट हो सके।
करेक्ट।
अगर
यस।
वो चीज अगर हम लोग के पास अवेलेबल, अगर CD करियर एजुकेशन के बाद अगर वो पोर्टल अवेलेबल है तो ऑब्वियसली 110% आपको वो चीज अवेलेबल कराई जाएगी। अगर अवेलेबल नहीं है तो उसके लिए भी आपको तरीके से आपको उस चीजों को बनाने का आपको मौका दिया जाएगा कि अगर आप उसको इन्वेट कर सकते हैं तो आप प्लीज गो ऑन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कौशिक सर यहाँ पे जो प्रेजेंट है, उनने फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट बनी बैटल्स क्रिएट किया है, कौशिक सर एंड शिखा मैम। तो अगर इन द केस अगर आपकी कोडिंग सेल नहीं है बट यू आर कैपेबल और आपको एक्सपीरियंस की जरूरत है तो यहाँ पे सीनियर्स अवेलेबल हैं आपको गाइड करने के लिए और आप अपना एक सेल बना सकते हैं 110%।
ओके तो सर मुझे 45 डेज के बाद में किससे कांटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा कि मैं मतलब लाइक आगे के इंटर्नशिप के लिए?
अभी आपने HR सेल के अप्लाई किया राइट?
जी बिल्कुल।
तो आप अभी किस ग्रुप में ऐड है, मुझे ग्रुप का नाम
अभी
बता
तो
सकती हैं?
लाइक HR प्लस लाइक फाइनेंस।
HR प्लस फाइनेंस मैम, वो तो इंडक्शन मीटिंग का ग्रुप है। एक टीम लीडर का भी ग्रुप आपको ऐड करने के लिए बोला गया होगा।
जस्ट अ मोमेंट सर।
एंड किसी को और कुछ प्लीज।
यस सॉरी इंटरप्ट करने के लिए। लाइक सताक्षी मैम के ग्रुप में मैं ऐड हूँ एंड लाइक इंडक्शन के लिए HR प्लस फाइनेंस में ऐड हूँ बस।
ओके वो इंडक्शन मीटिंग ग्रुप आपके इंडक्शन मीटिंग के लिए ही था। अगर कोई इंटर्न ऐसा हो जाता है जो इंडक्शन मीटिंग ग्रुप में ऐड है बट उसको रिस्पेक्टेड डिटेल्स उसको नहीं मिले हैं तो फिर वहां पे एक्नॉलेज कर सकता है कि मैं रिस्पेक्टेड ग्रुप में ऐड नहीं हूँ। तो आप मैम HR के ग्रुप में आप एडेड हैं और सताक्षी मैम आपकी टीम लीडर है मैम।
यस
तो अगर आपको टेक्निकल डिपार्टमेंट में इंटरेस्टेड है तो आपको मुझसे प्लस रिया मैम या आप सताक्षी मैम को एक्नॉलेज कर सकती हैं। बट उसके पहले आप एटलीस्ट एक हफ्ते तक HR सेल में आपकी वर्किंग जज की जाएगी। ओके मैम, उसके हिसाब से फिर अगर आपको शिफ्ट करना है फिर डिसीजंस लिया जाएगा। ओके
या ओके ओके थैंक यू सो मच सर।
थैंक यू मैम। किसी को और कुछ भी डाउट्स?
Sir, one more doubt I have to ask.
Please, ma'am.
Sir, as you are saying that if our performance will be good, so the internship can be extended, right? So may I know like till how much, like till how? I mean to say.
मैम इंटर्नशिप यहाँ पे कुछ चीजों में प्रोवाइड होती है। फॉर एग्जांपल 45 डेज, 90 डेज के बाद 120 डेज, 120 डेज के बाद 180 डेज।
ओके
तो आपको इंक्रीज जैसे होगा आपको उस हिसाब से बताया जाएगा मैम। तो इन द केस आपकी परफॉर्मेंस आपकी अच्छी है उस डिपार्टमेंट में, आपके टीम लीडर एक्नॉलेज करेंगे और पर्सनली मैं भी वहां जस्ट करने के लिए रहूंगा। तो अभी इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट हुई है, अभी एक हफ्ते तक आप लोग वर्किंग करिए, फिर कुछ डाउट्स एंड बग्स होते हैं तो आपको उस ग्रुप में एक्नॉलेज करिएगा, मेरा नाम लेकर के एज अ राजीव सर, मैं आपको वहां पे देख सकता हूँ।
ओके ओके सर।
किसी को और कुछ डाउट्स? ओके सताक्षी मैम।
यस सर।
या मैम, मैम किसी को कुछ भी डाउट्स नहीं है, आप ओवर टू यू मैम। थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड thank you everyone and good luck all of you.
Thank you sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
Okay, आप लोग अपना एक बार क्वालिफिकेशंस एंड अपना नेम एंड क्वालिफिकेशंस अपना डोमेन चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन करते हुए लीव कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू एवरीवन, जिससे आप लोग की अटेंडेंस कंफर्म हो जाए। हेलो, ठीक है, चैट बॉक्स में अपना नेम एंड डोमेन एंड क्वालिफिकेशंस मेंशन करके आप लोग लेफ्ट कर सकते हैं।
Sir, I can't see the chat box, sir. Can you help me, sir?
Shraddha ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
are you there?
Yes sir.
With Vaishnavi ma'am, right?
Yes, sir.
श्रद्धा मैम, मैम को चैट बॉक्स शो नहीं हो रहा है, तो आप प्लीज एक बार उनको मेंशन कर दीजिए कि कहाँ शो ओपन होता है।
ओके, सो हेलो वैष्णवी मैम, आप एक्चुअली वो साइड में जो 3 डॉट्स है ना, सबसे लास्ट में जो रेज हैंड का साइन है, उसके जस्ट बगल में जो 3 डॉट्स है, डिड यू गॉट दैट?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो आप उसी पे टैप करिए। आपका सबसे पहला आइकन है इन कॉल मैसेजेस।
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, आप उसी पे टैप करके चैट बॉक्स आपको मिल जाएगा। Did you got that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am.
Thank you, sir. TLs please wait करेंगे and seniors also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Interns left कर सकते हैं please, seniors रुकेंगे TLs and okay. Ronak sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Good
can
evening,
leave,
sir. Okay,
Leave, sir.
fine.